We've been doing research in the area since 2006, when we started with a collaboration with electronics and computer science. And it was proof of concept work that looked at simulation, and we were particularly interested in analysing how students worked with things. The European Smartness project, which was funded previously, was a multi-European site study in which they were looking at smart technologies and their engagement, how they could be engaged with general civic society.
We were introduced to a whole range of different people in that collaboration. Some of them were social scientists, some of them were computer scientists. We became particularly interested in collaborating with the German Centre for Artificial Intelligence because of their particular expertise in using technologies for learning and developing innovative solutions to problems. The technologies that we're looking at are to enhance resuscitation techniques. So we've developed a smartwatch application, Google Glass, which actually is like a head-up display, and the HoloLens, which projects a holographic image in your normal environment, so it's augmented reality.
We're trying to take feedback from students and more experienced practitioners on the use of these particular technologies, refine them and see if there's one that may be possible to actually take out into the real world.
During the trials, we are testing their ability to perform cardiac compressions efficiently, just from memory, and then we're going to give them some time to practice with one of the technologies, and then we'll test them again to see whether it enhances their ability to perform the compressions better.
My resuscitation technique has improved following the use of the technology. It gives you a very good indication of how quickly you need to actually do the resuscitation and the chest compressions. Having the watch on does give you that pace, and then that pace becomes a habit. This type of technology isn't something that we see in everyday practice, and knowing that all of this stuff is on the go outside is quite interesting, and hopefully we will see it in practice in the future. To be a part of that is quite interesting.
If we're going to develop the device further, we want to make sure that it's usable for the person on the street with no experience whatsoever through to clinical experts.
From today's trial, I've learned a bit about research. I'm quite interested in research, as that's something I want to go into in the future, and just having all the different types of research styles on the go. So we have had the ethnographers observing us, and we've also had the crossover trial where everybody gets a different go at everything. So seeing that research in action is quite interesting.